In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom product add-on to your WooCommerce website. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so for example, we'll create a similar setup to this where the users can choose their selection. And as you can see, based on the option that they choose, price is changing accordingly, right? So these are all custom product add-ons. And here we're actually displaying a conditional field. So if a user selects yes, that they do want this to be engraved, then here we're displaying this text input area here, right? And we're also displaying an upsell. Again, this is all powered by that custom product add-on plugin that we'll be using throughout this video. So we can select this additional option here and then just add it to our basket. So if you want to create a similar setup in your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to aovup.com. Go ahead and download the aovup product add-ons plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. Assuming you've downloaded and installed the aovup product add-ons, the next step is to go ahead and create our product, and then we'll go ahead and add our custom add-on options to that product. So we'll navigate over to products, add new, and this will be a ring product. So we'll just say something like ring, and we'll add a image. Okay, and then for the price, I'm going to set the price to 0. And the reason being is the price will be determined based on the options that the users select, right? So later on, depending on the option that they select on the front end, we'll change the price accordingly. So we'll just set that to 0, and then we'll just hit publish. Okay, so now let's go ahead and add our custom options for this particular product. So now we'll navigate over to aovup, and then we'll navigate over to product add-ons. Okay, and we'll create a new option set. We'll give this a name, it's just for internal purposes. Okay, and then we get to choose which product we want to apply these custom add-ons to. So I'm going to select specific product or category. And then for products, I'm just going to select ring because we want to add these options to that product that we just created, right? So now we'll scroll down here and we'll go ahead and add a label or image swatch. So for this one, we'll just say something like, we'll just say type, because we want customers to be able to choose between the silver version or the gold version. So we can say gold, and then we can add a image under this selection. So let's just upload this, and then we'll select gold. Here we'll change the price. So if they select the gold option, we'll increase the price to, let's say the gold variant is $997. Right? Then we'll add another option. And then this time we'll say silver, and again we'll add an image. Okay, and then we'll increase the price. If they select this one, let's say the silver variant slightly cheaper. So for the silver variant, it's $895, right? Okay, and then we can just hit save changes. Okay, so let's add another option. This time we're going to add a text input field, and then we'll say something like, in fact, let's remove, well, we'll add this field shortly. First, let's add a checkbox, and then a checkbox will say something like, do you want to add a engraving to this particular ring? And if they select yes, then we'll display that text input option, okay? So let's click add option, and then here we'll just select checkbox. And then here for the title, we'll say something like, okay, and then for the label, we'll just select yes, okay? If I can spell it. And then this will actually be an extra charge if they select this option. So we'll increase the price by, let's say, to add this engraving, it's an extra $45, right? Okay, so we'll select save. And then now we'll go ahead and add that text field. And then we can say something like enter initials, right? So this is fine. For the label, I'm going to leave it blank for now. And now we'll navigate over to conditional logic. Let's turn this on. Okay, so for the display rule, here we'll click select add-on. And then we'll select this yes option here. And then we'll set the state to be selected. So this field will only show when they choose that they do want that personalized engraving. So let's hit save. Let's have a quick look at our product. Okay, so this is what we've got so far. So here we can choose the type. We can add a personalized engraving. And if they select yes, then we've got this text input field here, okay? So this is fine. So on top of all of this, I want to add a upsell to go ahead and purchase the gift box for this particular ring. So to do that, we can add a checkbox option in the backend that says, do you want to have this gift wrapped, or do you want to add a gift box to this? So to manage the inventory of our gift box, I'm actually going to create a product and use that product as an upsell. So let's quickly create a product now. So we just go add new and then product. And then here we'll say gift box, right? Add an image. And then we'll set this price to be $39, for example. Then we'll hit publish. And now we'll navigate back over to AOV up. And this is that ring add-on option that we was creating, right? So now I'm going to add a new option. And this time I'm going to select product. And then for the title, we'll say something like, under this product section, we'll just search for our gift box product, which is this one. And then we'll just hit save. Okay, and now let's go ahead and refresh this page. And then here the users can add this gift box option. So let's go ahead and test this out. So first let's choose whether we want the gold or silver ring. Okay, and then here we can choose to add some personalized engraving. We can limit the character count as well. We'll just say BH, right? That's our engraving. And then here we can choose to add this gift box option, right? And as you can see, the price is increasing as well. We can customize the price display. So if you just wanted to have the total, we can actually remove this option as well. Once the user is happy with everything, we can just add it to our basket.